Good morning, children. This is 4th standard English class. How are you? Hope all are doing well, right? Come on, we come back to our lesson S4, writing a summary. Writing a summary. Let me tell you what is summary. Summary includes key details and main idea. Key details plus main idea. When we take the key details, the important information of the story and the main idea, by using these two, we are going to write the summary. Okay, to write a summary, compulsory we need the key details and main idea. Now here, I have written the summary of the golden goose. So, summary of the golden goose. Now I am going to read out the summary and we are going to see what is the difference in the summary and the story what you read from the reader. Okay. See, a goose with golden feathers shows kindness to a poor woman by giving her one of its golden feathers every day. Although the woman is thankful to the goose, she soon becomes greedy. One day, she catches the goose and plucks away all its golden feathers. The feathers turn white the moment they are plucked out. The woman realizes her folly of being greedy, but now there are no golden feathers to help her. As for the goose, it flies away soon after its feathers grow back. So this is the summary of the golden goose story. Now what is the difference between the story which you read from the reader and the summary of the golden goose, children? In summary, we took only the main idea and the key details. Whereas in the reader, they have described each and every sentence properly in a manner and elaborated it. Right? So here we are going to write a summary. Compulsory we need a main idea and the key details. Yes? Now we are going to write the summary of the torch lesson. We are going to write the summary of the torch lesson in the workbook. Open your workbook, children. Yes, children. Open your workbook. Block 2, S4. Writing a summary. Writing a summary. First, write the date as 14-8-2020. 14-8-2020. See the first question, children. Write the key details of the story, The Torch. Use these to write the main idea and summary of the story. What is the question? Write the key details of the story, The Torch. Use these to write the main idea and summary of the story. See here the key details you are going to write, and with the help of the key details you are going to write the main idea of the story. Okay, then you are going to write the summary. You are going to write the summary. This in the formation of sentences you are making few mistakes, children. That's why I am showing you it on the board. So just look at the board. I will read out the answer for you. Read, see, understand and then complete the workbook. Is it clear, children? First you are going to read, first you are going to listen, then write, then read, understand. Okay? Yes. Look at the board, children. Key details. First is key details. A bit. Dr. Ganesha accidentally invents a torch, comma, which turns things into gold. Full stop. Don't forget to use the punctuation marks, children. B bit. He helps a poor woman by giving her a golden apple, comma, a ball and a doll. Full stop. C bit. The woman becomes greedy and steals the torch. Full stop. D bit. The torch glass. Don't forget, children, for the word torch, apostrophe yes I have used. The torch glass breaks and it stops working. E bit. The woman feels ashamed and leaves the city. F bit. Dr. Ganesha feels sad about what happened. So these are the 6 key details. A, B, C, D, E and F. 6 key details which I wrote it on the board. Now with the help of this 6 key details I am writing the main idea of the story. Main idea. It is foolish to be greedy. It is foolish to be greedy. Full stop. Now look here, children. Here I wrote the summary of the torch. The summary of the torch. How did I write the summary? With the help of key details and main idea. See here, I am reading out and you are going to write the sentences properly, neatly by using the proper punctuation marks. By using proper punctuation marks. Okay, children. The summary is little bit lengthy. The place may not be sufficient for you, so I want you to write a little bit small and nearby. Use only half finger space. Okay. I am reading out the summary for you. Just look at the board. One day, Dr. Ganesha accidentally discovers a torch which turns everything into gold. Full stop. While walking down the street the next day, comma, he sees a poor, comma, sad woman. Full stop. He helps her by giving her a golden apple, comma, a ball and a doll. Full stop. But the woman becomes greedy and steals the torch from Dr. Ganesha's house. Full stop. Then, comma, while trying to turn a plate into a gold, comma, she breaks the torch glass and it stops working. Full stop. After that, comma, Maya, comma, the poor woman feels ashamed, comma, and Dr. Ganesha feels sad that somebody stole his torch. Full stop. Now this is the summary of the torch, children. You are going to complete the key details, main idea and summary in your workbook. Okay, complete S4 with the help of your parents and YouTube video. Okay, children. Take care. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.